Number 1 HR Practical Training Institute in Hyderabad. HR Generalist, 45 days practical training. Industry-focused practical HR training program. Build a successful career in human resources with practical training designed for MBA, HR, BBA, and graduates. Learning modules, recruitments and selection, onboarding and joining formalities, orientation and induction, probation period, time management, leave management, payroll process compensation or benefits, statutory compliance, exit formalities, PMS, employee engagement, employee relations, employee retention, preparing the policy as per Act, MIS reports, MS Excel, recruitments and selection, manpower planning and job requisition process, job description, JD, and job specification preparation, sourcing strategies, job portals, LinkedIn, referrals, campus hiring, screening resumes and shortlisting candidates, interview coordination and interview techniques, offer negotiation and selection documentation, onboarding and joining formalities, pre-joining communication and offer confirmation, joining day documentation and verification, employee records and statutory compliance, induction and company orientation, system access setup and probation tracking, orientation and induction, employee onboarding process, designing induction programs, introduction to company culture, policies, and hierarchy, documentation and joining formalities, employee handbook explanation, creating a positive first employer experience, probation period, probation policy design, performance monitoring during probation, probation review process, confirmation or extension decisions, documentation and confirmation letters, time management, attendance tracking systems, biometric, HRMS, shift scheduling and roster planning, late coming and absenteeism tracking, leave adjustment with attendance, productivity and time utilization monitoring, monthly attendance reporting, leave management, types of leave, CL, SL, L, log, leave policy drafting, leave tracking systems, leave balance management, leave compliance as per labor laws, payroll process compensation or benefits, salary structure design, CTC breakup, monthly payroll processing, statutory deductions, PF, ISI, PT, TDS, incentives, overtime or bonus calculations, payslip generation or salary disbursement, statutory compliance, PF, ISI or professional tax compliance, labor law adherence, shops or establishment, minimum wages, statutory registrations or licenses, monthly, annual returns or filings, maintenance of statutory records or registers, exit formalities, resignation acceptance or notice period tracking, exit interview or feedback collection, knowledge transfer or handover process, full or final settlement, F&F, processing, relieving letter or experience certificate issuance, PMS, goal setting, KRA KPI definition, performance appraisal process, continuous feedback or review meetings, performance rating or evaluation, employee development or improvement plans, employee engagement, employee motivation or recognition programs, team building activities or events, internal communication initiatives, employee feedback or satisfaction surveys, workplace culture development, employee relations, grievance handling or resolution, conflict management or mediation, disciplinary actions or compliance, maintaining positive work environment, employee communication or trust building, employee retention, identifying attrition causes, competitive compensation or benefits, career growth or development opportunities, employee engagement or satisfaction initiatives, retention strategies or workforce planning, preparing the policy as per Act, drafting HR policies aligned with labor laws, ensuring compliance with statutory regulations, creating leave, attendance or code of conduct policies, defining disciplinary or grievance procedures, policy documentation, approval or implementation, MIS reports, HR data collection or consolidation, recruitment, attendance or attrition reports, payroll and compliance reporting, data analysis for decision making, HR dashboards or monthly MIS presentation, MS Excel, data entry or employee database management, attendance or payroll sheet preparation, formulas, sum, if, VLOOKUP, for HR tasks, pivot tables or basic data analysis, HR dashboards or report generation, and workshop certificate. Program benefits: 100% practical HR training, real HR case studies, resume building support, mock interviews, HR generalist certification and placement assistance. Course details: duration 45 days, eligibility MBA HR, BBA, any graduate, mode classroom, online, limited time offer, only for first few members, terms and conditions apply. School of HR Excellence, strategic recruitment consulting or manpower solutions. For more details, contact us.